Windows offers much more than Linux is a full HD video which explains what you get with Windows that you don't get with Linux. Windows has about 3 times as many programs as Linux. If you need more time to hear or read anything, press the J key to go back 10 seconds. Dozens of professional programs are available for Windows users. However, most people can get by with alternatives freely available for Linux users. It is very easy and free to turn a Windows computer into a dual boot Windows and Linux computer or a Linux-only computer. Why pay hundreds of dollars for the Microsoft Office suite of programs when Linux has a dozen free equivalent Office suites? I bought a computer with Windows 10 installed. Now Microsoft thinks they own it. Microsoft even installed Edge on my PC without my permission. When you open Edge, the default browser in Microsoft, you get bombarded with many distracting and annoying ads. And if you scroll down, there are dozens more unwanted ads. When you open Firefox, the default browser in Linux, you just get what you want, a browser without any distracting and annoying ads. If you know where to look in Windows, you can turn off most trackers and cookies, but you may still get some ads. In Linux, some websites may show ads, but these can usually be blocked with an ad blocker, something Microsoft doesn't like. And with free Linux programs, there are no pop-ups asking you to pay for the Pro version. Windows' overall market share will probably fall below 60% when Microsoft stops supporting Windows 10 after October 2025. When Linux brings out a new version, you don't have to buy a new computer to run it. You can reduce your costs and exposure to all these Windows nasties by moving to Linux. Microsoft is trying to remove all the ad blocker extensions. If you haven't gathered yet, I hate receiving unwanted ads. In Windows Google Chrome, YouTube wants to send me targeted ads and doesn't like me having my watch history turned off. Move to Linux at no cost to you. And see in description below 2 ways to watch YouTube videos without annoying ads. Linux is free. And if you like it, please consider giving a donation to the developers of the distro you installed. If you play games, consider a faster processor and 16 GB of RAM. I suggest you read the installation instructions first before downloading the popular Linux Mint Cinnamon Edition. Yes, unfortunately, Microsoft Windows does offer much more of what you don't want than Linux. In description below are helpful YouTube links. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and tell your friends about it. Subscribe to Greatest Suggestions to be advised when I upload another Greatest Suggestion.